Welcome back to D20Gears. When I tell my players that D20Gears is coming and how it'll solve a lot of problems by tracking their character stats, some players get nervous. You're replacing my character sheet, they wonder? I get it. You've invested a lot of time in your own system for tracking stats and spells and equipment and more. Maybe it's paper sheets, an online builder, or an elaborate macro-heavy spreadsheet. It may not be perfect, but it's yours, and the last thing you need is some bossy DM telling you that you're doing it wrong and have to switch. If we don't listen to players in the early stages of development, we risk turning D20Gears into that cursed item that no one wants to attune to. It has to know everything about your characters, and it needs to be simple and non-disruptive. So the question is, how will this work? First, we'll make it easy to get information into D20Gears. Second, we'll teach D20Gears to track what's changed on player sheets since the last sync-up. Let's start the demo. Select a campaign to work on and say hi to the AI assistant. To get character sheets into D20Gears, open the Upload target, then drag an online document or a screenshot or even a photo of your paper sheet and drop it right in. The AI absorbs the information, asks for clarification where needed, and stores it for reference in whatever cloud storage system you choose. The AI will sometimes make mistakes while scanning, so it's a good idea to review the numbers before saving your sheet. It's something that we're aware of here and we'll be working on improving. When something changes in-game, taking damage, losing equipment, gaining a level, the D20Gears player UI flags it in red. That way, the player knows what needs updating and can mirror the changes on their own sheet. This gives you an idea of how it will look. Now suppose you're rolling up a new character, or you're a DM who wants to whip up a random NPC on the fly. There has to be a way to create a character that doesn't involve scanning a document. And there is. No big, fat, complicated form to fill out. You just ask the AI. The AI goes into curiosity mode and starts asking questions to help you build out the details. Stats, character levels, alignment, equipment, appearance, everything you need to play. Unlike that genie that you're squeezing for a wish, the AI doesn't twist your words. When the information is complete, D20Gears will ask you to review it before saving it to the campaign data store. There it is. Now that it has every character's complete and up-to-date profile, D20Gears can take over the chore of tracking the mechanics, attacks and saving throws, and temporary effects, and more. No more pausing while a player flips through 3 spreadsheets, a coffee-stained notebook, and the back of a pizza receipt to find out their current reflex save bonus. The DM can relax and step away from the auditing business knowing that D20Gears is handling it. That's the tour for today. Stay tuned as we continue to push the cart closer to where we are actually using D20Gears in a live campaign. Until next time, may you never forget where you parked the sore whale.